In this class I am going to explain meaning of centralization. Meaning of centralization. In the last class we have seen that the importance of office layout. What is an office layout? What are the factors and what are the objectives? And next one is importance of office layout. It promotes economy. It provides better supervision. It effects on cost reduction. Okay, so some common machines are used by both of the employees. Okay, so like that importance of office layout we have seen in the last class. The next one is, and in this class is meaning of centralization. Meaning of centralization. So types of office services. Types of office services. So centralization means what? So the generally the office activities are depends upon the size of the organization. The office activities are depends upon the size of the organization. If the organization is small, okay, the office may be a small. The organization is small, the office may be small. If the organization is big, the office may be big. Okay, so if the organization is small means one office is enough. Organization is small means one office is enough, means it is nothing but centralization. All the office activities are being carried at one place by one office manager. All the office activities are being carried out, are being run by one manager. One office manager is only responsible, he is only solely responsible, he is single a person will look after, a single person look the routine duties and all office activities. Okay, he is managed by the office. This is suitable for only small organization. This is called centralization. Okay, so now I am entering into the centralized services. Then second one, decentralized. Okay, centralized means only one office, that is small organization. Decentralized, if the office is big, if the office is big, so one office manager or one office cannot maintain the activities of a large organization. If the organization activities are scattered different areas. Okay, so then one office or one office manager cannot supervise all the activities of this office. So in that situation, decentralized services or decentralized office is better. Decentralized office is better. Okay, so the centralized services means if the organization maintains only one office by only one office manager, all the activities are run at one place, that is centralized. Then decentralized means office is, organization is big, then normally office is also big and one manager cannot look all activities at one place. So in that situation, decentralized services or decentralized office is needful, better enough. Okay, so these office services are centralized and decentralized. Centralization, so clerical activities of all departments are performed at one central point. Clerical activities of all departments are performed at one central point. Okay, in centralization, all the clerical activities, all department, all activities, all department, all kinds of works, all types of activities and everything are being done, okay, are performed at one point, at one location, at one office, that is centralization. Office functions and services are grouped into one servicing unit under unified control. Office functions and services are grouped into one servicing unit under unified control. Total office functions and services are grouped into one unit by under one unit under one unified under single control, one control. Okay, all office services, that is The basic functions of office is recording, communication, arranging, analyzing, and communication. Okay, so all office services, recording, communication, etc., are carried in one central office and managed by general manager. All office services, recording, communication, etc., are carried on in one central office and managed by one general manager. General. Other departments do not have any office work. Other departments do not have any office work. Okay, so types of centralization is classified into physical, functional. Centralization is classified into physical and functional. Okay, so first one, physical centralization. In this case, all paperwork is done by central office. Complete centralization of office is not possible in large organization. Okay, so next, functional centralization. Departmental work is performed by department manager. Generally the central office is supreme. Okay.